Girl, what he talking about? Bullshit. I had to tell that nigga. Look, nigga, I'm a hoochie. Okay. You ain't breaking no bread, I ain't breaking no coochie. I like Louis and Gucci. You want the key to his heart, I want the streets like Lucci. I need a thug like Bootsy. Yeah, that nigga think he love me, boy, your ass ain't Gucci. I'm on their neck like Oopsie. Got these niggas twisted in the head like they La La Lucy. Fuck nigga, break bread. If you can harm, you can hear how I said what I said. And after that, give me head. Send him home to his bitch, hoe he wash that he fed. How I go is how I play. If you broke giving pussy, then your ass misled. Get that shit through your head. I'ma have that nigga locked in like he going to the feds. Hey, lad, we ain't stopping. Cause when the shit hit the streets, bitches on there popping, locking, dropping, ain't no stopping. They better know this like a motherfucking auction. I don't want your nigga, hoe your nigga ain't an option. I need a real ass nigga that'll drop shit, block shit, hot shit, ain't no op shit. You can be the dream and you still can't block shit. Yeah, the fuck gon' keep dropping that hot shit. Alright,